Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's Sunday, and it's me and the kids out and about. I'm going to take my children out. Spend some time with them. Y'all go for the light change. Spend some time with them. We're gonna go eat right now, and I'm gonna go somewhere else because they don't know where we're going. So all these are like little surprises and stuff. So, and then me and Jamie is dressed alike. We are twins. Twinsies. It's an Andre right there. Yeah, like an old grumpy man. So, happy Sunday to you all. Hopefully y'all don't fall because y'all is all been hanging on by a thread. So you see I done did my hair over. I didn't put lashes on this time. Huh? My hair the same too. Yeah. That white cast, that's from the grease and stuff. That's why I only like putting grease and gel together because what's wrong? Okay, you about to go get something to eat. That's the reason why your head is hurting. I'm finna go feed you. I'm about to go take you to one of your spots. Okay, but Candy, it's not food. That's what I keep telling you, son. You don't listen. You think about eating candy, you don't eat something. No, you have not ate anything. So I told you, junk food is not it. Is this where I'm supposed to be stopping at? Sir, slow down in my booty. Are you turning too? Oh, y'all want to turn too? Y'all ain't driving, where y'all turning? Yeah, so. Dre, look where we going, Dre.
Huh?
On the Red Lobster. And them that bread about to be kicking. Dre, you don't want to go to Red Lobster? It's one of your favorite places. You want to go? Yay. What name about Red Lobster? Say hi, Andre. So let's go, y'all. Yeah, so our food here got fries. I don't know why I got mashed potatoes because I didn't ask for that. The scampi pasta. Jamie got the trio too as well because me and her both got trio. And she got mashed potatoes and fries. Andre just wanted mac and cheese and fries.
And soda.
And soda and biscuit. That's all he wanted. So this is what we got. All right, y'all. So we're done out of there. I'm full as a tick. I didn't eat all my food. Only thing I did was the scampi, the noodles, and the shrimp. That was it. And I'm gonna just eat the shrimp and rice tomorrow at work. As a matter of fact, I gotta do 12 hours tomorrow. So, but that whole meal was like 1,500 calories. So that's pretty much all what I'm gonna eat the rest for the day. I might just eat some fruits. That's about it. And drink some water because I end up drinking this soda, so I gotta flush that out. Wasn't meant to do that at all, but when I first got in there trying to order something else, they didn't have it. It's just only Monday through Friday, so it's like threw my whole mind off. So yeah, so I didn't even eat the whole 15 calories. I did eat some of my salad. The salad was not salad, it was just like the hard part of the salad. And I hate that. And honestly, Red Lobster, good for doing that. Good for doing that. So now, we're on our way to do a little shopping. You're shopping?
Yay, shopping!
No, not going to the Florida Mall. Come on, Carl. I'm gonna go to Burlington.
That's what the new stop was.
Yep.
Oh.
The next stop.
Like for summer shopping.
I think we never been to that place.
Just know I'm going. Spend a little cash. A little cash.
I think like little cash.
Yeah, because that's what I got, a little cash.
Can you buy me some?
See, that's why I got a little cash. Right
buy me some.
All right, sit on back.
Yay!
Matter of fact, sit, get it and put your car seat on your butt. Whatever that thing called, seatbelt. You'll understand when we get over. Thank you. Let's get a buggy.
Oh, we have to.
I
remember. We was here, but me and Mom was here.
Juicy. And one thing you can find at Burlington is some juicy Contier and BB. No, I don't like that one. Oh.
Yeah, I didn't even think this one started ripping and everything already.
Oh. All right. The yellow is cute. Let me see, could I get lucky and find one of them black Steve Madden bags in here? Cause they act like they was just showing up the baddest, so TikTok pretty much. Oh, that's ugly. It's DKN. Why?
You said black voices.
Yeah, but I'm looking for a certain kind, baby. Dre, move now. Oh, look at the cute little bag. They match my shoes at the house.
You didn't match your shoes at the house?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it'd been cute if it was on both sides. It's just one side. Shy can't put nothing but my cell phone and damn credit card and ID. That's it. Andre, move. You're heavy. They ain't got no purses in here. I won't get looking find one no bags in here with them.
Oh, this is the prank session. This is where you prank people.
This the prank section, really? He says it's the prank section because of that. Okay, I'm gonna go look for some other stuff. Well, let me look in the hair care stuff. Look at that Steve Madden bag.
How they go? It said, oh, I bought you what he said? I bought you a rainbow cake because you didn't. It was a boy. He was like.
Because I see that on TikTok. I bought you a rainbow cake because you know you like rainbows, or just because you gay or something. And it's something he said.
He said, "Be who you are for your pride."
Yeah, he said, "Be who you are for your pride." I was gonna wear my pride shirt today too, say mom's giving out hugs, but I decided to dress like Jamie. Because I decided to dress like you, be twinsy with you.
Yeah, I'm talking about that. I need some, Ashley, think about some, what's called shampoo. I don't know. I'm gonna like the shampoo that I have. I don't think it is on the
Mom, look. There's some stuff to make your hair better.
Something to make my hair better?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think I want to try this out. This is condition that I think I want to try out. How much is this? It's $6.99. Maybe this will work. What is this Curl and Shine shampoo?
I heard a lot about this.
It smells good.
Treatment mask.
It smells good.
I heard a lot about that too. You say it's pretty good.
What's good?
And I need some new shampoo and stuff. Shampoo and conditioner. Baby. I don't know what I need. I don't know what is that. Oh my.
Look at these. These are too cute. These are too cute.
I'll take so.
They don't took the doggone phone thing off. This was keep it just so roguish. It's cute for $20 for a little girl. That is super cute. Yeah, so I told Jam I needed something a little bit more sexier. Cause she looked at lingerie, so this the lingerie she gonna talk about right here, sexy. I said, boy, y'all, it be your own kids, y'all. They don't want you to be cute.
Good enough.
It's look comfortable and everything, but it ain't sexy.
It's sexy.
Cause she was like, she saw this, she thought, here you go, mom, Melanie Queen. You can walk around with this in the house. I said, no, I need something a little bit more sexy. She thought, okay, huh? Boom, a little more sexy.
Why you say sexy? Why you say like that?
Cause that's the word, sexy. You want me to be sexy? Child, it be your own kids. You can keep on looking.
Your own parents.
Y'all heard him? I'm gonna knock him out. I'm gonna knock him out. I didn't told y'all what I had on. Well, I took my shoes. I had on white Air Forces. What are the Air Forces? don't know what it was, some white tennis shoes, but baby, no ma'am. What you get? Oh, let me show y'all what we got. So, Jam got some shampoo, and conditioner. I might try this out, but I picked up this one. This conditioner, I didn't see shampoo, so but I got the mask too, the Restore Treatment mask too as well. This $6.99, this one $5.99, and these was $7.99 a piece. And then she got this peppermint scalp care oil. This was $4.99 for her dry scalp, she said. Ooh. Andre got this toy here.
Yeah,
some toy he been looking for forever. It was $14.99.
And look at this. No, not too much money.
Then I picked up him a pair of these Puma slides. These was $14.99, I think. No, $12.99. So you got those. Home. Andre, your shoes. Jamie got some sports bras. These US Polo. These were $15.99. You also got the little undies to match with them. These was $14.99. So it's hers.
How do you open this?
And then she got this scrubber here.
Guys, say how we open this?
It's like the thing. I'm trying to scrub it and then turn.
Yeah. Oh, power brush. That's what they call it, a power brush. And this was $8.99. Then she needed a black bra. This is the only thing that was on sale. $10.99. Oh, and I got some boob tape. Cause I need this. It was $6.99. Got some leftover biscuits from Red Lobster. And oh, that was that from the Then we ran to Burlington. What the thing called? Dollar Tree. Alright. Pick up feminine wipes, pretty much. I mean, liners. I mean to say liners. Toothbrush, lashes. Dollar Tree got lashes, y'all.
You didn't know that?
Well, I knew they had lashes, but those look better.
I got
Jamie got some soap.
I saw people talking about this. I had one to grab.
So she got her some soap, razors, a lip liner, her a shape of brows. Oh, this seems like it's wasting. Something is in here wasting. I don't know, something wastes. I don't know. It feel wet in there. But she got some body wash. Andre got candy. She got her some lip liner and picked up 2 things of deodorant. And then all thing I got was lashes. Lashes. Dollar Tree have mink lashes. So I'm gonna try these out. This is one pair. This is the light doll. And this one here is the whiskey.
One of those before.
You got whiskey kind of the light doll.
Have to look at them.
So I picked up a couple of those. And then I picked up another one of those ones that Jamie got.
Did I get one of each? I think I got 2.
No, you didn't get 2. I know that for a fact.
I didn't have got 2 like eyelashes.
Yeah, you got 2 eyelashes, but it wasn't the one like I got. Then there was another one of those?
Yeah.
Where is it?
You just on your hand?
No. Just still.
Wait.
So that's pretty much it that we got from the stove. We brought leftovers, and then we got some of these little mangoes. So
Gotta put them down.
I'm gonna eat some of those and drink some water, and that's it for me for the rest of the night. So